Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I want to talk about Bixby. You guys, if you guys been searching for information on Samsung's S8 phone, you guys know that there's going to be an AI assistant that's going to be a main feature of the phone. So at this point, like Siri, its name's going to be Bixby, or the male version of the name's going to be Bixby. And it will let you do everything from control Samsung home appliances and third-party apps to search for objects and pictures and process payments with your voice. In terms of features, it's gonna beat all the AI assistants from Apple, Amazon, Google, etc. So you're probably asking yourself, what is Bixby? So this is Samsung's first voice assistant based on technology gained through its acquisition of a company called Bixby, which is an artificial intelligence firm. So reports are that Samsung's gonna ultimately integrate the AI platform into its Galaxy brand lines of smartphones, including obviously the Galaxy 8 that's about to be released, as well as expand voice assistant services to home appliances and wearable devices. So Samsung's hoping this will be a feature that will help it gain the edge from Apple, especially with the recent mishap with the battery situation with the Note 7. So in November 2016, Samsung filed for a trademark in South Korea that sought protection for the word Bixby. The application kind of explained that the brand would be used for computer software for personal information management, mobile and PC apps, uses for voice recognition, and software enabling hands-free use of a mobile phone through voice recognition. So a lot of people at that time speculated that the S8's voice AI would be called Bixby. But however, at the time, it was uncovered that the trademark applications in both South Korea and European Union was for the name Kestra and several variations of name Bixby as well as Bix. Although unconfirmed, Kestra might be the female version of Bixby. We'll see. So you're probably asking yourself at this point, when will Samsung Bixby be available? So it's probably going to launch this spring with the launch of the S8. But more specifically, Samsung will probably use Bixby in almost all the native apps that will come pre-installed on the S8, which is supposed to debut on March 29th and go on sale on April 21st. So how is Bixby gonna work? The prototypes of the Galaxy S8 flagships include a button on the side edge of the smartphone that will be used to launch Bixby, which might suggest that it may not be voice activated. If you guys seen the prototypes of the S8, you guys know that there is a third button right next to the volume rocker buttons. A lot of people have speculated what that button might be. I personally thought it might be a mute button, like a lot of BlackBerry phones have a third button right next to the up and down volume button. But a lot of people have speculated that this might be how you would activate Bixby. But me personally, I just think that it might be more a button for some other purpose besides Bixby, because the way you would activate Siri on Apple, I'm gonna assume that that's the way you're gonna activate Bixby on this phone that's about to come out. Also, Bixby is going to be a lot more advanced than Samsung's existing S voice service, and on top of that, it's going to work system wide, which suggests that Samsung will likely update most of the native apps with a new UI so that they have a similar design. And Bixby will probably replace S voice in the Galaxy S8 as well. So some of the features that's speculated that a lot of people can do with Bixby, you might be able to ask Bixby to dig up and show a specific picture in a gallery app, among other things. It will probably offer answers and actions based on context, just like Google Assistant, and it will provide visual search and act as an OCR tool using the camera of the Galaxy S8. The standard camera app will feature its own Bixby button. So these new camera tools will allow Bixby to recognize and process whatever the camera sees. Theoretically, you could just aim your phone, press the Bixby button to capture an image, then Bixby will analyze the image and identify objects or text. From there, it will help you search for the object based on the image data or the optical character recognition data, and it may even allow you to purchase the object. On top of that, there'll probably be a feature called Bixby Pay. Samsung could include some feature that will allow you to process payments through voice commands, and the feature is supposedly being developed under the name Bixby Pay, according to sources. Also, it's speculated that Samsung is developing a major AI interface based on OpenAI platform that will enable users to perform different tasks available from different apps just through voice commands, meaning they won't need to jump through separate apps just to order pizza and call Uber. As far as home appliances concerned, with this AI assistant, sources have also confirmed that this feature would be significantly differentiated from Siri, Google Assistant, etc. He said Samsung is planning to use the Galaxy S8 as a springboard to expand its AI technology into its other products like home appliances. And Bixby won't be limited to Samsung's AI platform. For its platform of smartphones, it'll work with Samsung home appliances that users interact with frequently. The platform will even double as a remote control for compatible appliances. For example, you could ask your refrigerator to show you photos on your phone, for instance. As of this point, Bixby will be able to support 7 or 8 different languages, including English, Korean, and Chinese, so that it can be instantly rolled out in a number of countries without needing a future update. In comparison, Google Assistant on the Pixel phones can currently only support English and German, although Siri can understand languages from up to 36 different countries. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, Feel free to give me a thumbs up, sub me, and if you guys have any comments, please leave your comments in the comments section.